Alright, people, so I'm over here at the red ear slider enclosure. I got chicken hearts that I bought from the local grocery store. And here comes guest number one. Right, these turtles love chicken hearts. I climbed inside the red ear slider enclosure. You see, them red ear sliders are always entertaining to watch. Now they're gonna go in the water and battle for chicken hearts. So we'll see when the next one climb out of the water to come get some more food, cause we got a lot of it. Come on, dude. You want it? Come get it. Alright, now they're gonna go fight inside the pool. Compete over pieces of chicken heart. But, I mean, we have a whole bowl over here. And the thing is, the male like to carry the food to the pond. And then she'll go ahead and feed while he has the food. But I don't know why they battle over the food so much. Because she don't want to accept the food from my hand. Sometimes she does. She'll do the pellets. But when it comes down to these chicken hearts, she's not trusty about, what she eats. She's, pretty much cautious. See, look at her. Sitting at the pond. Look at that. We got a red ear slider on my leg. I want her to come out. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Let's see if we can get her to take the food from me. Like he trying to get it. Nah, come on, buddy. Look, you always get the food. You so bully. Come on. Here you go. Here. Look at that. He's still the food. Come on, progress. Oh. Alright, so now she's seeing him go back in the pond. Now she's going to go battle him for food. Rather than take the lonely chicken heart that I left right here just for her to get. So, see? He gave the food to her. Come on. We got more right here. See what he's going to do? He's going to bring that food back to her inside of that pond. And why is he doing this instead of eating it himself? I don't have a clue. But that's exactly what he want to do. He want to make sure that other turtle in there enjoys himself rather than being greedy and just eating all the food by himself. So, holla at your boy, people. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Get to see how I'm training my turtles. They don't always eat chicken hearts all the time. But every other day I do have these reptile pellets. I do go ahead and feed my red ear sliders these reptile pellets. Alright, they're still battling over those chicken hearts. I was waiting to see if they're going to come back out. But apparently they're not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and leave a couple of these things out here. And then whenever they decide to stop fighting, they can come back up here and collect some more. But we got other people to feed. So holla at your boy, people. This your boy KP from KP Reptiles over here feeding my red ear sliders inside the custom enclosure. I built this thing, but I built it enough so I can get in here. The animals feel a little bit different about you You know, when you actually, oh, I gotta fix your ramp. Let me fix it so you can get out easier. Think that's good enough? Come on. Come on, little tiny claws, get in the net. All right. Look, here's the food. She don't trust nobody. What's up, dude? Doing good? Just want to check you out. He's freaking out. Alright, make sure y'all hit that like button, people. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles. Peace out.